This Coldwell Banker SSK, Realtors property video is presented by Roxana Shepley. Wonderful home to retire or raise your family. One level full brick home features an open floor plan, 4 beds/2.5 baths, both baths with dbl.vanities, laundry room and mud bench, large master shower west/dual shower heads and slider bar, jetted tub, double vanity west/granite counters, kitchen west/island, white custom cabinets, built-in pantry, cooktop, wall oven, breakfast bar, tile backsplash, granite countertops. Foyer entry, greaatroom west/gas fireplace, formal dining, beautiful hardwood flooring in living areas, tile in baths and laundry. Bed number 4 could also be office west/French doors, lovely back patio west/large privacy fenced yard. 2-car garage on a cul-de-sac lot, won't last. Kitchen measurements include breakfast area. For more information, review the details below or contact Roxana Shepley at 478-953-8595.